principal teachers, and my dear friends. Good morning to all of you. I am Na'matullah. As we gathered here to celebrate 78th Independence Day of India, my heart filled with pride and the echo Bal Gangadhar Tilak slogan. Freedom is my birthright and I shall have it. As we all know that India gained independence from 200 years of oppressive British colonial rule on 15 August 1947. This day reminds us of the sacrifice made by our brave ancestors who fought for our freedom. We stand here enjoying the fruits of their struggle. Independence is not just about a flag waving high in the sky. It's about the freedom to dream, to learn and to achieve. As students, we are the future of our nation. Each one of us carries the responsibility to nurture our talents and contribute positively to society. Let us remember those who fought to secure our freedom and those who continue to protect it. Let's cherish the unity in our diversity and work together to make our country even stronger. As we celebrate today, let's promise to uphold the values of peace and equality. Addressing you today on this auspicious occasion, I end my speech by paying my respects and tributes those great revolutionaries. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.